Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews on the best products available. Today, we're featuring the best Mooncake Mold 100 grams, a must-have for anyone looking to create beautiful, professional-grade mooncakes at home. If you're a fan of the Mid-Autumn Festival or just enjoy DIY pastry making, then you're in for a treat. This Mooncake Mold set by Luxiv is an essential tool for creating perfectly shaped mooncakes with ease. The set includes 12 interchangeable pattern pieces that offer both round and square designs, giving you versatility in your baking. Whether you're crafting delicate flower-shaped mooncakes or opting for a more intricate rabbit pattern, this mold can do it all. The hand pressure design makes it incredibly easy to use, and the stainless steel press handle ensures a smooth and consistent press every time. One of the key features of this mold is its high-quality construction. It's made from food-grade ABS plastic, which is completely safe for food contact and easy to clean. You don't have to worry about residue building up, and the mold is even dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The ABS plastic material is also durable, meaning you'll be able to use it for many Mid-Autumn festivals to come. But the use of this mold isn't just limited to mooncakes. It's also perfect for making other treats like cookies, chocolates, jelly, and even candy. The interchangeable patterns allow you to get creative with your designs, whether you're baking for a special occasion or just having fun in the kitchen. In terms of size, the 100 grams molds are ideal for making the traditional mooncakes. The sturdy press handle allows for easy molding, ensuring each mooncake comes out perfect and ready for decoration. The sleek white color of the mold set adds a professional touch, and the high-quality materials used are built to last. So, if you're looking to elevate your baking skills or just make some tasty treats for your loved ones, the Luxiv Mooncake Mold set is an excellent choice. It's easy to use, clean, and most importantly, it delivers beautiful results every time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this mold will definitely help you create those picture-perfect mooncakes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.